my God, I love San Francisco. I was here a year ago, and I very recently learned that last year, San Francisco's population touched 1 million people. It was the same time when I was on the other side of the world, where 1 million mothers and babies lost their lives due to lack of access to basic cleanliness and hygiene at the time of childbirth. You heard me right. 1 million mothers and babies lost their lives due to lack of access to basic hygiene at the time of childbirth. Even today in countries like India and Africa, the first few moments of a baby's life might be its last. Not because the baby does not choose to live, but because the closest, sharpest object can be used in the process of childbirth. This is a picture taken by me 2 years ago in a village in India that inspired me to do what I'm doing today. This sickle was used in childbirth by that household and is also used to cut grass. I was sad and I really wanted to do something about it. Very quickly I realized that this was not only an issue in home births, but when women got lucky and when they went to institutions, the situation wasn't any better. There were 8 beds and 13 healthcare professionals of any kind. You can't be promised that every one of them knows how to conduct childbirth, to take care for a population of 10,000 people. Many women are turned away from healthcare institutions due to lack of basic access to supplies. On the private side, the same kind of facilities charge women to give birth in these dirty and unhygienic situations. Our simple solution to this huge problem is a $3 product, a clean birth kit that not only comes in a beautiful biodegradable purse that's given to the mother as a gift, but contains in it the 6 simple tools that the World Health Organization has been advocating for decades, in fact. It contains a blood-absorbing sheet, a bar of soap, a pair of gloves, a cord clamp and a surgical scalpel, and a sterile cloth to take the baby out and wipe it. It's as simple as that. Our biggest success has been in proving that the poor are not poor in mind. They will definitely afford products that are the right quality and they meet their needs and can help them save lives. Over the last 2 years, we've sold about 70,000 products, directly impacting 140,000 mothers and babies, giving them access to a better birth, thereby saving lives and also saving misery post-birth if they did survive. Our second biggest success has been navigating the complex Indian healthcare system. For us, the biggest challenge was to understand how do we get this product out in the market. Our biggest success, again, was compartmentalizing this complex healthcare system and figuring out how do we get the right product at the right place, right time, and right price point. We also quickly figured out that WHO had more recommendations for very simple products like these that cost 25 cents, but because of their price have never been able to scale, and also because of a lack of distribution channel, had never made it to the markets. Today, this 25-cent gel that can prevent infections for a newborn at home settings has found its way into our kit, thereby being able to reach the places that, despite highly being recommended, has never been able to go to. Our customers have also asked us for more products, and by popular demand, we are introducing our second product this year that's currently being piloted, a newborn kit, for 48 hours of childcare by a healthcare worker and the mother for a newborn. We stand on the shoulders of these strong women who, with all kindness and love, put together these kits for us, which thereby go to our sales team and then reach the market. These women have consistently seen that their quality of life has improved by working for us, and over the last years have seen that their income has improved 20x. They're definitely able to improve their lives, but with their love and support, create products that help other women like them. As a company, we're doing great. We feel we've grown 10x in revenue over the last 2 years and are poised to go to $1 million in revenue next year. That being said, our revenues, more than revenues, it's what the impact we create that dictates our success. We are very confident that over the next 5 years, given the distribution channel and our products, we will save 15 million mothers and babies. By this time, all of you know, we exist as a commitment to save lives and change lives, one product at a time, one happy woman at a time. This has not been possible alone. Each one of you and thousands of you have lent your hands and walked this journey with us in helping us get one step closer to our dream. We want each one of you to raise your voice, to provide women with access to basic tools so no woman dies giving life. Thank you.